Alright guys, so we're going fishing at a pond 5 minutes down the road that way. We're going to bring this little pole. So I'm going to show you the setup of the pole today. Alright guys, so the setup for today for when we fish is a micro light South Bend bamboo pole. Very short. I think this is like 5 feet. It's very flexible. So when you catch something, it feels like you're catching a shark if you catch like a little bass. So that's why you saw in my perch video, I was using this and it felt like I was catching big bass. But let's go fishing. Night bite.
What's that?
It's nighttime. You gotta catch the fish at night. I feel like this is going to be the cast to catch a fish. What's that? Oh, I'm just kidding. I tricked you.
Right at my face. I was worried about that thing coming and hit me in the mouth.
Eat the lure, Dad. You're gonna be the fish I catch today. If this video gets posted, what's the like goal be? How many likes should we get on this video?
We can get about 3.
3 likes.
Your mom will like it because she'll feel bad for you. You'll like it and I'll like it because we're in it.
Alright guys, you heard him correctly. 3 likes. I gotta catch a fish for this video. Oh my gosh. Lord, provide fish. Dad, huh? Who did God help catch all the fish?
So
who did he help? I'm gonna call out. Who did he help? So-and-so. You helped so-and-so catch the fish. So help me. Just watch. It'll work. Watch this. My lure. What, just gonna get caught up in that island like next week? Oh! I'm just kidding.
Did you film a sea turtle nest?
Where?
Right here.
Ooh, is that what that is? Or is, no, this is a bed from when it was really high up. Wait, it's the sea turtle you said. I thought you meant like normal turtle. Hey Dad, I got the stuff.
Don't touch it. What is that? It looks like a diaper.
Nah, it's just like... Oh, what if it's like an old man diaper?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh God. I touched an old man diaper? You what?
Instead of freezing my gonads off.
I'm keeping that in there. You guys want a worm? Oh! It's got babies! Oh my God. Say to the viewers, thanks for watching and subscribe.
Are you still filming?
Well, now I am.
Thanks for watching. I know it's painful. Thanks for sticking it out with Jagger. Subscribe to his channel so he leaves me alone. Let's go. I don't even know what an outro is.
An outro means you have to say bye to the viewers.
Bye, viewers.
Alright, thank you.
I'm freezing.